Diagrams introductions. Most of the relationship between sets can be represented by means of diagram, which are known as Venn diagram. Venn diagrams are means named after the English mathematician John Venn. In the year 1834 to 1883. These diagrams consist of rectangles and circles or closed curves. Usually the closed curves are circles. That is like this, contained inside the sets. The set A, this is universal set. The universal set is represented by a rectangle and its subsets by circles. Here a subset of U. Now operations on sets. Operation on sets. The first operation, union of sets. The union of two sets A and B is another one set. It's a set C, which contains of all those elements which are either in A or in B, or including those which are in both, either in A or B, or including the both. The symbol U is used to denote the union operation. A union B, usually read as A union B. In symbols, we write A union B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Union of sets represented by Venn diagram. Union of sets A and B represented by Venn diagram. Try a rectangle or universal set and write two overlapping sets. Overlapping sets means that both sets having some common element. This is a common region of both sets. Set A, set B, this is the universal. Now A union B is the elements contained either in A or in B. So these regions, these added regions represented by A union B. Next, some properties of the operation of union. First one, A union B is equal to B union A. That is commutative law. Commutative property is satisfied in union of sets. Second one, A union B union C equal to A union B union C. That is associative law. Associative property is satisfied in union of sets. Third one, A union MT is equal to A. This rule is called law of identity element, and by MT is the identity of union. Identity of union. Fourth property, A union A is equal to A. This is called idempotent law. Idempotent law. Fifth law, universal union A is equal to universal. This is law of universal. Law of universal. Next property, intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set C of all those elements which are belongs to both A and B. The symbol the reinverted form of review is used to denote intersection. A intersection B, this is usually read as A intersection B. A intersection B. In symbols, we write A intersection B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. This x contains both A and B. Next one, intersection of sets A and B represented by Venn diagram. Intersection of sets A and B represented by Venn diagram. Here draw a universal set and two overlapping sets. Overlapping subsets of A. These subsets of universal AB. Now this region allow only A. This is only B. This region is common to both A and B. So this is represented by A intersection B. Next, some properties. Some properties of operation of intersection. First property, the same property of unions. First property, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. This is commutative law. Commutative law. The second one, A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Associative law. Associative law. Third one, phi intersection A equal to phi, and universal intersection A is equal to A. This is a law of phi and universal, law of empty and universal. And fourth one, A intersection A is equal to A is the idempotent law. Idempotent law. Fifth one, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. This is distributive law. Distributive law over universal. And result for Venn diagram. Verify the distributive law. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C by Venn diagram. This having some of the parts. First, draw the diagram. B union C. This we complete LKHs. For LKHs, A intersection B union C. First we represented A intersection B union C. Before B union C. This is universal set. Here considered only three overlapping sets. A and B and C are overlapping sets. B union C means all the regions including B and C, either B or C. So this is A, B, C. So B union C, these regions. Second term, A intersection B union C. So next rectangle including three overlapping sets A, B, C. This is universal. Here we need A intersection B union C. The common region of A and B union C. This A contain all these regions. These regions contain in B union C. So the common region is the common region of A intersection B union C. This is considered that this diagram considered as 1. Just RHS A intersection B union A intersection C. This is considered 3 diagrams. First find represented A intersection B, then A intersection C. At last represented by A intersection B union A intersection C. So first A intersection B. Consider the 3 overlapping sets A, B and C. The universal set A. Here universe A, B, C. A intersection B. The common region of A and B. Represent this A and B. So next diagram. Three overlapping sets A, B and C. A, B, C. Universal sets. Here represent A intersection C. Common region of A and C. Now the last diagram. A, B, C, B, C, universal. This is A intersection B union A intersection C. So the common regions either in A intersection B or A intersection C. So combine these 2 regions. This is considered the number 2. Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. See the diagrams 1 and 2. Both having the same shaded regions. These two have the same shaded. So these 2 terms are equal. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Next operations on sets. Difference of sets. Difference of sets. The difference of the set A and B in this order is the set of elements which belong to A but not to B. Symbolically, you write A minus B and read as A minus B or A difference B. A difference B. A difference B. In symbols, you write A difference B equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A but x not belongs to A. Sorry, x not belongs to B. Then representation in Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, difference of sets represented in Venn diagram. Taking two subsets of universal overlapping set A and B. A, B. Here A difference B. Here A difference B means all the regions of A except B. This is the common region of A and B. So this is neglected. Remaining regions are shaded. So this region represented by A difference B. Next to represent B difference A. Universal A B. B difference A is alone only the region B. It's not containing both A and B. Now some remarks. Consider a circle, the rectangle and two overlapping sets A and B. This is the region. This region is A difference B. This is B difference A. This region A intersection B. The sets A difference B are in A minus B and B minus A are disjoint. No common region for these two. And also A intersection B, comparing A intersection B with the other two, A difference B and B minus A, no common region. So these three are called the disjoint sets. A difference B, B difference A and A intersection B are mutually disjoint sets. Hence, the intersection of any of these two sets is the null set. That is, if A intersection B is equal to empty means A and B are disjoint.